Hello dears, good morning to all. Welcome to biology class. So we are discussing about the connective tissues. So we studied connective tissues are mainly classified into three based on the type of matrix. So what was the first one? That is a connective tissue proper with the two types of matrix. That is a loose matrix and also dense matrix. The examples for two connective tissues in our body with the loose matrix, they are the areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue. Like that, the examples for the two connective tissues with the dense matrix, they are the tendons and ligaments. That we studied now. Next, we are going to study the second type of connective tissue, that is supportive connective tissue. Supportive connective tissue is a type of connective tissue with the solid or semi-solid matrix. Solid or semi-solid matrix. So, in our body, the connective tissue with the solid matrix, that is the bone, and the connective tissue with the semi-solid matrix, that is the cartilage. So, bone and cartilage are the two connective tissues with the solid and semi-solid matrix. So, when we are discussing about the bone, we can see that it is the framework of our body. It is the framework of our body. It can give shape to our body. It can provide skeleton for our body. Okay, it is a structural framework of our body which can connect all our body parts. Okay, it is one of the highly strong. It is so strong and non-flexible. Non-flexible, that means the matrix is so solid. Okay, the matrix is highly hard also, hard and solid. That is because of the deposition of calcium and phosphorus ions or salts. Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are the main components of our bone. If there is any deficiency of calcium in this food, it may adversely affect or badly affect the health of our bones and teeth. So, calcium and phosphorus are the two minerals required for the healthy growth of our bones and teeth. Okay. And when we are taking the structure of a bone tissue, it is composed of a central canal. Taking a structure of a single tissue, we can see a central canal is there. Around the central canal, the name of the central canal, that is a Haversian canal. Haversian canal. Around the central canal, we can see the bone cells. That is a star-shaped bone cells called osteocytes. They are arranged in concentric layers. That is in circles. Okay, that is the structure of bone tissue. So, what is the name of the bone cell? Bone cell is the osteocyte. Then, central canal is the Haversian canal. Okay. Then, what is the main function of bone? It can provide the structural support, structural framework to our body. The next is the cartilage. Cartilage is a type of soft bone. Are you remembering the portions regarding this cartilage and bone that we studied there from the 6th standard? Cartilage means the soft bone. It is highly soft. We can see just touch your tip of nose, like that the earlobe, pin of ear, earlobe. What type of this substance is that? Is it hard like that of a bone? Is it so soft like that of a muscle? No. It is a medium-sized flexibility is there. That is because of a special kind of this tissue called soft bone or cartilage. What's the name? Soft bone or cartilage. We can see the soft bone in between the joints. Okay. At the time of this tearing and piercing of chicken legs, pieces and others, what we can see, a type of tender bone is there. And you love to eat this tender bone. That is a cartilage. Okay, did you get the idea what is this cartilage? Then how it is different from bone? It is not so strong as like that of the bone. Okay, that flexibility is limited. This limited flexibility, that is because of less accumulation of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, the amount of calcium and phosphorus that is comparatively less in case of cartilage. That is why it is not so hard. It is flexible but not highly flexible. Okay, limited flexibility is there. Here, what type of matrix is there? Matrix is semi-solid. Semi-solid matrix, and which does not contain much amount of calcium. So, where is the location of this, that is present at the end of bones, tip of nose, ear, trachea, larynx, etc. Trachea, that is a windpipe. Larynx, that is a voice box. In all this, we can see the what? Cartilage or soft bone. So, these are the two connective tissues with the solid or semi-solid matrix, or we can say these are the two forms of supportive connective tissue in our body. Next is the fluid connective tissue that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.